Hard hand. Set. Go. Good. All right.
Yes, I got a daughter I got to pick up.
Okay. Well, yeah, we need to sit down and talk then for sure.
Yeah, heck yeah.
All righty. Good to meet you.
Who's that?
All right, here we go. Chicken, get over there and get on my knees. Nah, don't put her hand on the ground. Her hand, she's got injury. There. Go. Straight up. Go.
Next three.
Super fun.
Dominic Cortez.
Is
it?
I can do it.
Go. Don't worry about it. Just drive it as hard as you can. Set. Go. Ah, wait a minute. We got a loader over here. Let me go back so I can get some spring. No. Stay in position.
No loading.
Guess what I don't see out of anybody? No, nobody has stood up yet.
Oh, I thought
Nobody has stood up yet. Has everybody gone except you two? Anybody else didn't go? Well, you're hurt.
Yeah.
Just
Like
jump
you
in.
said me.
Get in there, hurry up. Just jump in there, put your feet on it, and jump as far as you can. Here we go. Be aggressive. Press forward. Set. Go. Not bad. Okay, you got to reach the mat now. Here we go. Round two. Let's be quicker with it. Let's be quicker with it. Come on. 3 people. Jump up. Jump up. Here we go. Back pressure on both feet. Explode as hard as you can. Set. Go. No, that's not. This ain't gonna go in our head. I'm gonna tell you the ancient Chinese secret.
Okay.
Just like those bands I got last
I got a
year.
big one, please. No, I'm done. Are you sure? Yeah. Okay.